Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to create a pie chart in Excel using simple steps. We'll be working with this example: monthly expenses for rent, groceries, utilities, savings. First, highlight your data range, in this case, from cell A4 to B7. This includes both category names and their values. Avoid selecting the title row. Excel focuses only on the actual chart data. Go to the Insert tab, find the pie chart icon, and choose the 2-D pie option. Instantly, Excel creates your pie chart showing each category's share of the total. Right-click any slice, select Add Data Labels. Then, right-click again, choose Format Data Labels, and tick Category Name and Percentage. Now, your chart clearly shows what each slice represents and its proportion. Change the chart title to something descriptive like Monthly Expenses Breakdown. Give each slice a different color from the Format tab to make the chart visually appealing. Increase label font size so everything is easy to read. If your labels are clear, delete the legend on the side to make the chart cleaner and more focused. And that's it. Your professional pie chart is ready to use for reports and presentations. Like and subscribe for more quick Excel tutorials.